Hello, this is Teacher Sarah, and today we are going to talk about family events. First, let's talk about family members, or who is in a family. So, who is in this family? It looks like we have a dad, a mom, two sons, and a daughter. So, a father, a mother, sons, and a daughter. Let's look at this family. It looks like we have grandparents, a father and a mother, and two children. So their grandparents are the father and mother of one of their parents. So two people have a child, and when that child has children, they become grandparents. Let's talk about brothers. So, two brothers are both boys and they have the same parents. They have the same father and mother. This is the older brother. He was born first. This is the younger brother. He was born second, so he is younger. Another way to say older brother is to say big brother. The big brother is bigger or taller because he is older. The younger brother is also the little brother. He is little because he is younger. Now let's talk about sisters. So sisters are girls who have the same father and mother. The oldest sister was born first. The middle sister was born second, or in between the oldest and the youngest. She was born in the middle. Then we have the youngest sister. She was born last. Aunt and uncle, niece and nephew, cousins. So I will talk about what each of these words mean. So two people, Helen and Walter, have children, Nancy and Frank. Now, for Nancy's children, Jennifer and Timmy, their uncle is Frank, because Frank is their mother's brother. Frank is Jennifer and Timmy's uncle. So, Frank also has a child, Alan. Nancy is Alan's aunt because Nancy is Alan's father's sister. So, the brother or sister of your parent is your aunt or uncle. Niece and nephew. So, Jennifer is Frank's niece because she is the daughter of his sister. So Frank is Jennifer's uncle, and Jennifer is Frank's niece. Timmy is Frank's nephew because Timmy is the son of Frank's sister. So Frank is Timmy's uncle and Timmy is Frank's nephew. So let's go the other way. Nancy is Alan's aunt because she is the sister of his father. And Alan is Nancy's nephew because he is the son of her brother. Now we have cousins. Jennifer and Timmy are cousins with Alan because their parents are brother and sister. They are siblings. So, because their parents, Nancy and Frank, are brother and sister, the children are cousins. Alan is Jennifer and Timmy's cousin. Whew, that was a lot of family members. All right, now we are going to talk about family events. An event is something important that happens, and it does not happen a lot. It only happens once or twice in someone's life. A family event is one that is important for the family, for the members of the family. So, let's see some examples of family events. We have when someone gets pregnant. That means they are going to have a baby. So, getting pregnant is a family event because the members of the family, the parents, the brothers and sisters, are all excited. It is a happy family event. Next is when you have a baby. This is when the baby is born. When the baby is born, that is called birth. Birth is when the baby is now out in the world, and that is exciting for the family. That is an important family event. Next we have kids go to school for the first time. This is an important family event because it means that the kids are getting older. They are not babies anymore. When a kid goes to school for the first time, they have their first day of school. First day of school. Finish high school or college. This is an important family event because it means that the children are now adults, and they have worked very hard in school in order to graduate or finish school. When they graduate or finish school, they have a graduation. A graduation is when they officially leave school. This is an exciting family event because all the family members can celebrate the people who have graduated. Here we see two people about to fall in love. Falling in love is an important event because love does not happen a lot. Later, they may get engaged. Getting engaged means that you are planning to, in the future, get married. So sometimes the man will get down on one knee and ask the woman if she wants to marry him. If she says yes, then they are engaged. Sometimes the man gives the woman an engagement ring to show or to symbolize that they will get married. After getting engaged, people get married. They get married at an event called a wedding. A wedding is when everyone comes together to celebrate two people getting married. So lots of family members are there, and after the wedding, the two people who were engaged are now married. The next major event in someone's life is when they stop working at 65 or 70. So they have worked very hard and now they can relax and stop working. This is called retirement. So when they stop working, they retire. Retire. And now the last family event in someone's life is when someone dies. This is a funeral. Everyone comes together to remember the life of the person who died. It is sad because they have died and they are no longer with us, but it can also be a celebration of the life that this person lived. And all the family comes together to comfort each other. So those are major or important family events. Thank you so much for watching.